You know, for some time now, you see a lot of people going for mentorship, different professionals going for mentorship. One could ask, why are they going for mentorship? So, for you, as an accountant, you are not exempted from undergoing mentorship. You need to be part and parcel of those other professionals that are undergoing mentorship. So, but some accountants, they don't know. Some accounting students or those that read accounting, they don't know that you need to undergo mentorship so that you'll be able to have and get the knowledge you needed for your career. So what then is mentorship? And what then is internship? It's a program. Mentorship is a program that allows you to sign under a superior officer or a master who will give you his own knowledge, who will train you on your profession, who will train you on your trade and gain experience from there, which will help you in your career at the later days. There are various kinds of mentorship. In accounting, those days, what normally take place is when you finish secondary school, you will sign on a mentorship program with an audit firm or accounting firm in Nigeria. When you sign up a mentorship program with an accounting firm, you will be there for some years, depending on your experience, depending on the number of years you sign. In most cases, they sign for about 4 to 5 years so that you'll be able to have some qualifications before you exit from the mentorship program. Those days, ATS used to be very, very popular, and is still and believe it's still popular now. So for those who gain entrance through with through the with the secondary school certificate, they will have to sit for 8 years. That is an accounting technician scheme organized by ICANN. That is what used to be. And also those that enter with a BSc or HND, they will follow the same procedure, but these are exempted in some papers when they go for professional courses. So they will go through professional courses. So that was prevalent those days. But of recent, I discovered that this mentorship program, nobody is taking it serious. They are just interested in the paper qualification of it. And after the paper qualification, you will now go to the labor market and be looking for job. After searching for job for about 2 or 3 years, you are tired. You say, there's no job. I finished 3 years ago. I finished 6 years ago. There is no job. Then after that, you can now deviate or double into other profession. You have to start from square one again, which is not supposed to be. Then what is it that you're supposed to do? What you're supposed to do is to sign a contract or a mentorship program or an internship program with an accounting firm, which you know that will better your career, which you know will enhance your career in the near future. So if you want to build a career in accounting, the best thing you do is immediately you graduate in Nigeria, you will sign a mentorship agreement with a master or a higher officer that will put you in the know, that will help you, because this master have seen it all. This master have been in the profession for more than 2, 3, 4, 5 years, most cases 10 years and above. So if somebody have been in a profession 10 years and above, then you should be able to advise and guide a new entrance.